In this video, I'll show you how to generate a video with Google Veo. Start by signing into your Google account and open the AI tool where Google Veo is available, such as Flow. Once you're on the home page, click New Project or Create to begin. Next, click the prompt box and describe the video you want to generate. For example, type, a cinematic drone shot flying over a tropical beach at sunrise, crystal clear water, gentle waves, palm trees, ultra-realistic, 4K, smooth camera movement, 8-second video, then click Generate. After that, wait a few moments while Google Veo creates your video. Once it's finished, preview the result. Now, if you'd like to improve the video, edit your prompt and generate it again. For example, add golden lighting, highly detailed, realistic reflections, slow cinematic camera movement, no text, no watermark. Next, if the platform allows it, adjust settings such as the aspect ratio, video length, or quality before generating another version. Finally, when you're happy with the result, click Download or Export to save the video to your device, or use the Share option if you'd like to send it to someone else. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate a video with Google Veo. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.